Attention business owners and entrepreneurs. You can now offer your prospects, clients, and customers complimentary hotel stays in 7 amazing destinations. Absolutely free. Yes! This Marketing Boost subscription offer is 100% free. No risk, no credit card required, and you can cancel at any time. You'll have full access to give away unlimited hotel stays to our most popular destinations: Cancun, Riviera Maya, Puerto Vallarta, Bali, Dubai, Las Vegas, and Phuket. Explode your leads and sales. These incentive destinations are customer favorites. They are highest rated with the most availability and only require 14 days advance booking.
Let me just tell you, everything that they promised came absolutely true.
We got a fabulous deal. Highly recommended.
We had an amazing time. The resort was incredible, and we couldn't have hoped for a better time.
It was awesome.
We'll be back.
Yep.
We're so confident in the power of our incentives to increase your business profitability. Your free Marketing Boost account even includes a complimentary vacation for you to try for yourself. That's a $1,500 value. You'll soon learn the benefits that our thousands of paid members experience every month.
Just the first 3 weeks when I tried Marketing Boost, I made over $15,000.
Our sales have jumped over 50% since we started using Marketing Boost. It's been amazing.
We've been able to put over $150,000 back into our business, and if you were to add up the total gross sales from the marketing incentives we've given out, it would equate to a little bit over $500,000.
Unlimited complimentary vacation getaways to our most popular destinations: Cancun, Riviera Maya, Puerto Vallarta, Bali, Dubai, Las Vegas, and Phuket. 7 top destinations guaranteed to make your business stand out. Sign up now for your free Marketing Boost account. Start giving away these amazing vacation incentives and watch your profits soar.